Today I have a story for you. It's about me. I used to be a white mouse. Then suddenly I became a black mouse. I like to share my story with you. I like to tell my story for you guys. Would you like to listen to me? Yes? Okay, let me tell you my story. A family has a white pet mouse. One night, the cage door is left open and the mouse escapes. It runs along the desk and knocks over an ink bottle. And the mouse splashed by the ink. It squeaks and tries to scrub it off. Now the mouse is called Inky. It's me. The ink bottle was black. Now I am a black mouse. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. That is my song. Would you like to sing with me? Then you also have to pretend like me. Can you do it? You have to wiggle your fingers and you have to pretend like that you are removing and you are wiping ink from your whiskers. Okay, you have to pretend like me. Let's do it together. Yes? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Wow! You guys are amazing. You did it. Wow! I hope that you enjoyed my story. But I'm sad because now I am a black mouse. But now I am going to teach you something. And tell me, did you hear any sound during my story? Did you hear any sound? E, 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 e. Did you? Yes, right? So, now I'm going to show you that sound. And I'm going to teach you that sound. E, 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 e. This is sound E. This is sound E. Inky. E. Ink. E. Igloo. E. Iguana. This is sound E. Letter I. This is sound E. Letter I. E. Inky. E. Ink. E. Iguana. E. Igloo. E. This is sound E. 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 Igloo. Iguana. And ink. And Inky. It's me. Sound E. Sound E. Sound E. Sound E. Iguana. Igloo. Ink. And Inky. E. Sound E. You learned sound E. Today we learned sound E. Inky, iguana, and ink. Wow, guys. Now you know sound E. Sound E. Ink. E, ink. E, iguana. E, igloo. E, igloo. E, iguana. E, ink. Sound E and letter I. Dun, dun, dun. Okay guys, it's time to go home. Bye bye children. Hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye kids. Love you all. Bye bye.